A quick shout out to Rachel. You know who you are. Thank you for sending me this beautiful apron. See? And to all my viewers, subscribers, I love you all. Watch for more videos. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to Sarah's Sari Flavors. Josie here. Are you tired of making the same old boring fish recipe? Well, today I'm going to do a simple fish recipe and it's called Tilapia Fillet in brown sauce. Try this recipe and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Please click the subscribe and the thumbs up for my videos and let's get started. Now we're all set. We have 4 pieces of tilapia fillet. And we have flour and all these dry ingredients that will be needed after we season the fish. So let's season the fish first with salt and pepper. So when you season the fish, you're going to season both sides, okay? Now let's do the pepper. Flip the fish. And then we'll season this side with pepper. Okay, now we're going to mix all the flour, the pepper, and the garlic powder in this bowl. Now we're ready to combine the flour, the garlic powder, and your pepper. So take the bag out. Make sure that you mix this dry ingredients before you dredge the fish. Okay? Alright, now we're ready. Put the plastic back, open it. And then now you're going to put your fish over here. I'll probably do one fish at a time because we have big size of fish. And put like a little air so as you shake it, the fish can move inside. And it's really coating with that flour. Okay? And then now we'll take this fish out of here. Just tap it, remove the flour. Just like that. And then go to the next one. And shake it again. Shake that baby up. Right? You gotta dance a little bit. When you're doing this, you gotta dance. Make your cooking a little bit fun. Sometimes I play music, some Zumba, that's my favorite. I do Zumba, guys. I love Zumba. But, alright. Let's twist again. Alright. Enough of this. Okie doke. Now we're ready to fry our fish. But also we're going to make some brown sauce. Okay? Stick around. Look at this, folks. Oh my gosh, the aroma, the smell is so delicious. Taking your fish recipe into the next level is very simple, just a few ingredients and you got this. It looks like you got this from the restaurant. So, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you for more videos. Ta-ta for now.